You're watching ABC 7 News at noon, on your side.
Right now, the Midwest is being walloped with a dose of winter. Many still in shock, seeing snow, ice, and strong winds just days away from the start of spring. Clayton Sandell is in Denver right now following this so-called bomb cyclone.
I'm Clayton Sandell in Denver, Colorado, a day after the bomb cyclone hit us, and we're still dealing with closed interstates. You can see behind me here, Interstate 25 is shut down, basically between Denver all the way to Colorado Springs. These major roads and major airports, no match for this major winter wallop. This storm has been a winter weather gut punch, paralyzing Colorado highways with whiteout conditions. We saw big rigs struggling for traction, hundreds of cars around the state stuck. The governor even calling in the National Guard, about 50 soldiers brought in with these specialized all-terrain vehicles to help get stranded drivers out. Officials believe there has been only one fatality, a Colorado State Patrol corporal by the name of Daniel Groves. He was responding to an accident yesterday when he was hit and killed by a car that police say was going way too fast. The driver lost control. All of the conditions we've been seeing here over the last 24 hours are thanks to what meteorologists call a bomb cyclone. They call it that because the pressure drops so rapidly, and the lower the pressure, the stronger the storm. Out at the Denver airport, for example, they saw gusts up to 80 miles per hour. That caused them to cancel around 1,400 flights. Crews were working around the clock. They now have a few of the runways open, and they hope to get back to normal operations today. To the east in Nebraska, lots of different weather effects. Part of the state is getting hit with a crippling blizzard. We saw pictures of troopers trying to help drivers that were then themselves getting stuck. On the other side of the state, we're seeing the worst flooding in decades, washing out a bridge in one case. Very dangerous there. This wave of storms has brought everything from tornadoes to New Mexico and high winds in Texas, where we saw those remarkable pictures of a semi-truck being flipped over in heavy wind. The bulk of the storm has now moved out of Colorado and is hitting points east. Officials hope to have these interstates open later today, but they've gotten a whole bunch of new snow in the mountains, which means we could be looking at a new round of dangerous avalanches. Clayton Sandell, ABC News, Denver.
Well, a live look here in Arlington, and Steve, thank goodness we are not dealing with anything like that.
Yeah, absolutely. Looking good out there right now. This is our vantage point over at Dulles International Airport. If you're doing any traveling that takes you to the Midwest or the Great Lakes or the South for today, expect delays because they're looking at rough weather in the form of thunderstorm watches and tornado watches. Here's what's going on closer to home. Looking good. Temperatures are well into the 60s. Should hit that 70-degree mark later on this afternoon with a nice mix of sun and clouds. 3 p.m. we are in the upper 60s, lower 70s for the drive time home. It will be dry for the rush hour commute, but I am tracking a cold front. This cold front set to move across the area during the day tomorrow. A freshly updated Futurecast coming up in just a few minutes.
Well, we are developments in the college admissions scandal that has rocked the country. Actress Lori Loughlin now out on bond after her arrest in L.A. on Wednesday. Her freedom, though, was not cheap, the judge setting her bail at $1 million. She was among 50 people indicted as part of a $1 million scheme, funneling the kids of wealthy parents into the nation's top schools. Loughlin's daughter is now a student at USC, and she and other implicated students could be facing punishment. USC releasing a statement on this scandal saying, quote, applicants in the current admission cycle who are connected to the scheme alleged by the government will be denied admission to USC. We are going to conduct a case-by-case review for current students, and we will make informed, appropriate decisions once those reviews have been completed. Well, covering D.C. for you right now, and as calls grow louder for City Council member Jack Evans to step down. This amid a federal investigation now stretching to the entire D.C. Council and the mayor's office. Last week, he was accused of using his position on the Committee of Finance and Revenue to benefit his consulting firm. Well, that violates the council's ethics rules. The council is scheduled to vote on whether they will reprimand Evans next Tuesday. Several council members say they do